Hello, buddies. I am Hương. I am living in Thái Nguyên City. I am studying at the primary school. I love my school. I am going to talk about my favorite color today. My favorite color is pink. The bird is pink. The bird is green. The bird is yellow. The bird is red. The bird is blue. The bird is purple. The bird is brown. The bird is orange. The bird is gray. The bird is many colors. That's very thing. Thank you very much for watching. Friends, have a good day. Thank you and goodbye.